Laminate internal doors offer a consistent colour and graining pattern that means each door looks identical. Pre-finished and ready to fit, the realistic texture of laminate feels like real wood, and it is very durable and easy to maintain. JB Kind offer one of the most popular door designs, the Tigris, in 3 on-trend laminate colour options. The Tigris Cinza offers a dark grey wood effect. The lava is lighter grey and the ivory has a pale natural finish. All 3 finishes look stunning, and the grooves in the ladder style panels are coloured to complement each laminate design. Constructed with a semi-solid engineered core for added stability. Fire door options are also available with a solid engineered core. Each colour finish has a matching glaze partner fitted with clear flat glass panel and raised beading. If trimming is required, the door edges will need repainting. Details of the paint references are available on request.